Just wanted to give you guys an update on the status of the documentary so far and what we've been doing kind of behind the scenes. We spent most of the summer reviewing the footage and taking notes, and now we're in the editing stage. One of the issues I've been having, it's been super frustrating, is my old iMac that I bought 2 years ago is just underpowered, and there was a lot of issues with stuttering and just not being able to play back what I've been working on in real time. So I decided either to buy an iMac i9 2019 model or build a Hackintosh, basically a custom built PC with Mac OS installed. And after comparing the prices and the performance, I decided that's the way I was going to go. So here are some of the benchmarks I did with the iMac and the Hackintosh. First up is the Cinebench CPU test, which the iMac came in at 1,441, where the Hackintosh CPU came in at 5,052. There's a huge difference between the i5 that's in my old iMac and the i9 9900K that I got for the Hackintosh. Now for the Geekbench marks, the CPU single core on the iMac is 945 with the multi-core at 3,407, comparing that to the Hackintosh at the single core at 1,279 and the multi-core at 8,745. For GPUs in both, they're fairly similar. It's the AMD 570 in the iMac, and I bought a 580 8GB model for the Hackintosh. So the GPU benchmarks with OpenCL, the iMac came in at 24,833, where the Hackintosh came in at 42,150. The iMac has an SSD where I got an M.2 drive for the Hackintosh, where the write speed was a little over 1,000 megabits per second and the read speed a little over 2,000 megabits per second, where in the Hackintosh the write speed was nearly 3,000 and the read speed also 3,000. And for the price between these two, 2 years ago when I bought the iMac, I mainly was using it for photo editing. I didn't really think about doing a documentary or any video editing at that time. So I paid about $3,000 for it. If I would have went with the iMac i9, it comes in over $5,000, and the Hackintosh I was able to build for a little over $3,000. So I saved a lot of money by going custom build, and it wasn't that difficult to install Mac OS on a custom build. There's a lot of tutorials online to help you through it, and probably took about 5 hours configuring before I got it up and running properly. I'm probably going to have more videos online soon. After this one, I'm going to put up some footage from interviews, which might not show up in the documentary, but still could be very interesting for you guys to watch. So stay tuned, and that should be up in a few days.